This is me in my 1985 Toyota 4Runner. Over 8 hours away, in a town I never knew existed, doing things I've never done, in a car I barely expected to make there. But I'm in the exact position I want to be, outside of my comfort zone. We all have our own comfort zone, whether it be a city, a routine, a hobby, a place, your home, your room. And it's easy to stay inside of that zone because honestly, in this day and age, you really don't have to leave it. We're a bunch of pansy-ass people nowadays. That's where this old Toyota comes in. Is this the right car to take 8 hours away on roads I've never gone down? To a place I didn't even know existed until like a week ago? No, definitely not. Is it fuel efficient? No. Is it safe? Hell no. But hey, it's a Toyota. It'll last forever. No, this car is 45 years old. It has lived twice the life that I have, and I'm already getting joint problems. If you actually work on cars, you would know what I mean. Nothing is reliable to the test of time. So if I wasn't completely sure if the car would make it, why would I take the risk? Because why not? Life is made up of stories. Not only that, but your stories shape your character. And that's why I like traveling in an old car. It's part of the story. It's part of the journey. Part of the drive. The trip no longer becomes just getting to the end or getting to the destination. With this old Toyota, the destination is just wherever you are with the Toyota. It isn't just trying to get to the end, it's trying to survive the drive there, as crazy as that sounds. But that's part of the excitement of life, isn't it? Just think of the most interesting people you know. They're probably the kind of people with the most interesting stories. They've gone places, they've done things, they've been in trouble, they've gotten themselves out of trouble. They've been around, and they've seen things. Those are the most interesting people to me. Well, how do you gather interesting stories to tell? By going out and just doing things. It doesn't mean you have to be social and extroverted. Just try things. All kinds of things. That includes things you like and things you have no feeling towards whatsoever. Maybe even things you dislike. And when you go and do things, you get put into situations and scenarios that you aren't usually in. Your personality changes, your tolerance changes, your interests change, you change. I never really had an interest in road trips before. Now I love driving hours away just to be in a new environment. Everything out here is so quiet, so peaceful. I believe this is Lake Owens. We're up on like a viewpoint. We were just down there at the fishing and parking area. It's about a 6-7 hour drive home, and I've spent maybe 30-40 minutes here already. But I think the delay is going to be just fine. So we're making another stop at something called a charcoal kiln. I thought the last one was Owens Lake, but that was not Owens Lake. This one is Owens Lake, and this is a lot bigger. The other one was a reservoir. So far the truck's been doing good. No issues so far. It is just a bit noisy inside, and I wish there was a sound system for me to listen to music and podcasts a little clearer. Right now I'm running off of a speaker. We're going to make this one stop, and then after that it's the long stretch to maybe 1 or 2 more attractions, and we'll be heading home after that. Now I did bring my motorcycle. I'm debating on bringing my motorcycle down the rest of this way because that looks fun. The only thing is the air is really cold over here, and I forgot to bring my motorcycle gloves, so my hands would probably freeze off. The roads here are very, I don't know what you call it, ripply. There's lots of these little miniature bumps. I'm guessing either from rain or I don't even know, but it's very bumpy, and it's like you're going through those like speed strips, the vibrating ones, and they're just very annoying because I can't just gun this and bolt straight down. I have to kind of take my time. I wasn't going to take the bike out, but I think I've changed my mind. It's all just dirt roads out here. I think I'm gonna take the bike out. Alright, well, this is the furthest I'm gonna go. There's a really cool echo here. Just nice little ride. I'm not gonna go too much further because I do have to get back. But I did get to ride my bike on this trip, which is a win for me. Alright, time to go. So we've lost about, I don't know, 45 minutes or an hour on this trip, on this little detour with the bike. And like initially I was worried about, getting home not too late and suffering a bit on that drive because I'm driving alone. For like 7 hours. But honestly, hasn't been too bad. I'm not as worried about getting home late as I was before. I think it's because I'm making the commute a lot more exciting. Yeah. On this trip I did bring an alternator, tools, a spare ignition coil. I was a bit worried about this truck not making it, but so far it hasn't skipped a beat. A couple low idles in the cold temperatures, but really solid, really solid. Honestly, I would give out before this truck gives out. All packed. Ready to go. It's I've never been up to the one like this close. It's kind of crazy how large these are. It feels almost like alien. Look at how quickly this guy is spinning. And I'm still like, I don't know, 500 feet away, 500 yards away. I can't tell distance. Look how big these guys are. Wind is picking up, I think. Alright, well, we've seen enough of this place. Time to make one more stop. Maybe a second, get some gas, and we'll be heading home. So that was the core goal of my trip. It wasn't to do something super crazy or exciting, but it was just to add another interesting story to my interesting life. I'm barely 26 years old and I already feel like I'm out of time. But that motivates me to go out and just try things, see things, just fill my life up with experiences. And I really hope all of you can do the same.